Olivia Miller, and I will be presenting an overview of the research I did this summer on the consequences of heat on cognition and behavior in Western mosquitofish. To begin, it's no secret climate change is impacting our world in more ways than one. Higher temperatures can elicit biochemical changes that affect physiology, metabolism, and enzymatic reactions. Fish swim faster in elevated temperatures. However, it's not yet clear how said temperatures can impact their cognitive performance, such as problem solving, which is what I got into this summer as an undergrad member of the gas lab at Texas State. As temperatures increase and climate change continues to change, if fish were to respond with slower cognitive performance, we could possibly see those results in effective foraging, mating success, and evasion of predators, any of which, if any decline, would lead to major consequences. So that led Dr. Gabor and myself to hypothesize the relationship between cognition and behavioral traits, as it may provide insights into how individuals cope with changes to their environment. A detour test design seen in figure 4 was used to explore questions posed during this research experience. The test was used to assess an individual fish's cognitive skills. Trials 2 and 3 were used to draw conclusions and form figures, as trial 1 did not have enough data gathered, as a 5-minute acclimation period proved not long enough. That being said, for trials 2 and 3, a 10-minute acclimation period was given to the focal fish. Getting into our results, solving speed, fish maintained at 21 degrees Celsius were faster at getting around the barrier than those exposed to 31 degrees Celsius. For boldness, it decreased with time and more so at 21 degrees Celsius. Cognition by behavior, negative correlation between total task time and time to barrier, as boldness increased after 7 weeks, but only at 31 degrees Celsius. The results we analyzed allowed us to see, on average, the fish maintained in warmer temperatures did take longer to complete the detour test and reach the stimulus female at the end. From a behavioral perspective, we found that boldness decreased over time, especially at 21 degrees Celsius. Boldness also decreased as solving skills and task time decreased, suggesting that less bold individuals had greater cognitive performance, but only at 31 degrees Celsius. We found that the relationship between cognition and behavior indicates that less bold individuals may better cope with higher temperatures. Since no traits were repeatable, that let us know cognition may not be repeatable, or the temperature may alter cognitive performance over 2 weeks. Our findings can provide insight into the success of these infamous invasive species via their adaptability to increasingly warming waters. I want to give a big shout out and thank you to the people listed below, and thank you, Texas State, for funding my research over the summer.